Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make ElevenLabs sing. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to ElevenLabs.io and sign into your account. From here on the left hand side, we want to click on the music tab. Now from here, we want to generate some audio. So go ahead and put in your script here for your song. So I'll put in a prompt here. So a cinematic pop song with a powerful female vocal, emotional chorus, piano, and strings. So go ahead and click send. Now it's going to refresh the page and you can see your song is getting created on the right here. So let's go ahead and press play, see what it's given us. See, that's not too shabby. Now you can also add lyrics if you want specific words sung, choose the style, mood, and length. So you can see my prompt here, I can go ahead and change that. We can add reference, we can upload a file for a reference as well. If you want to fine tune, you can. And now all your saved songs are going to be inside of that save tab.